soldering. So, for today's video, ang ipapakita namin sa inyo ay static-free TM Plus and Glass Chemtronics 1668. This is original Chemtronics from US. So, what is the use of static-free Plus and Glass Chemtronics ES1668? Static-free plastic and glass play crucial roles in various industries, especially in electronics and manufacturing. Chemtronics ES1668 is a specialized cleaner designed to remove stubborn contaminants without leaving any residue. Here are the primary uses of static-free plastic and glass in conjunction with Chemtronics ES1668. Number 1. Electronics manufacturing. Static-free plastic and glass are essential in the production of electronic components to prevent damage from electrostatic discharge (ESD). Chemtronics ES1668 can be used to clean sensitive electronic equipment such as circuit boards, connectors, and precision instruments, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. Number 2. Cleanroom environments. Static-free materials are commonly used in cleanroom environments to maintain a controlled atmosphere free of contaminants. Chemtronics ES1668 helps in cleaning and maintaining the cleanliness of surfaces in clean rooms, ensuring the integrity of the manufacturing process. Number 3. Laboratories and healthcare facilities. In laboratories and healthcare facilities, static-free plus and glass are used to store and handle sensitive samples and equipment. Chemtronics ES1668 can be used to clean laboratory surfaces, glassware, and medical devices, ensuring a sterile environment for experiments and procedures. Number 4. Optical industry. Static-free plastic and glass are crucial in the optical industry for manufacturing lenses, mirrors, and other precision optical components. Chemtronics ES1668 can help in cleaning and maintaining the quality of optical surfaces, ensuring clear and accurate vision. Overall, the combination of static-free plastic and glass with Chemtronics ES1668 cleaner ensures the reliability, cleanliness, and performance of critical components in various industries where static discharge and contamination are significant concerns. So, what are the benefits of using static-free plastic and glass in preventing ESD damage? Using static-free plastic and glass in preventing electrostatic discharge (ESD) damage offers several key benefits in electronics manufacturing and other industries. Where ESD protection is critical, here are the advantages of incorporating static-free materials. Number 1. ESD protection. The primary benefit of using static-free plastic and glass is the protection they offer against ESD. These materials help dissipate static charges, reducing the risk of sudden discharges that can damage sensitive electronic components. By using static-free surfaces, manufacturers can minimize the potential for ESD-related failures in their products. Number 2. Component longevity. Static-free materials help extend the lifespan of electronic components by preventing ESD damage. By minimizing the impact of static electricity on sensitive parts, Manufacturers can ensure that their products maintain optical performance and reliability over time, reducing the need for costly repairs of replacements. Number 3, product quality. Incorporating static-free plastic and glass in manufacturing processes enhances product quality by reducing the likelihood of defects caused by ESD. By maintaining a controlled environment with static-free surfaces, manufacturers can produce high-quality electronic devices that meet performance standards and customer expectation. Number 4, cost savings. Preventing ESD materials can result in significant cost savings for manufacturers by avoiding the need to replace damaged components, rework products, or address ESD-related issues during production. Companies can reduce waste, improve efficiency, and lower overall manufacturing costs. Number 5, compliance with standards. Using static-free plastic and glass helps manufacturers comply with industry standards and regulations related to ESD protection by implementing ESD-safe practices and materials. Companies can demonstrate their commitment to quality control and product safety, enhancing their reputation and credibility in the market. Number 6, workplace safety. Static-free materials contribute to a safer working environment by reducing the risk of ESD-related accidents or incidents. By implementing ESD prevention measures, manufacturers can protect their employees, equipment, and facilities from the potential dangers associated with static electricity buildup. And in conclusion, the benefit of using static-free plastic and glass in preventing ESD damage include enhanced ESD protection, improved component longevity, higher product quality, cost savings, compliance with standards, and enhanced workplace safety by incorporating static-free materials into their processes. Manufacturers can safeguard their products' reputation and bottom line against the risk of electrostatic discharge. So guys, ito ang ating static-free plus and glass Chemtronics ES1668. So guys, ginagamit ito sa mga manufacturing company. Ayan siya guys. Ayan siya. So guys, ano kaya ang application and specs nitong ating Chemtronics ES1668. Static-free plus and glass effectively cleans, polishes, and eliminates static charges. A single application dissipates electrostatic buildup while also removing dirt, grease, ink, fingerprints, and nicotine stains. Static plus and glass will not streak, smear, scratch, or abrade. Leave surfaces truly clean for improved optical clarity and distortion-free reading. Features and benefits. Control static cleans and polishes in one application. Foaming spray won't run or drip. Ideal for optical surfaces. Prevents attraction of dust and dirt. Effectively remove handling oils, finger soils, and nicotine stains. Compatible with plastics, glass, and stainless steel. Not for use on anti-glare coating or mesh screens. So, ang applications niya, cleaning computer, monitors, and housings. Removing handling soils from precision glassware. Maintaining cleanliness of observation windows on production equipment. So, ang size niya guys is 14 ounce. 397 grams aerosol can. So, ang shelf life naman niya guys is 5 years unopened and 2 years open. So, guys, ito ang ating static free TM Plus and Glass Chemtronics ES1668. Ayun lang. Maraming salamat.